Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely perfect if you are a gamer or you're looking for a nice, crisp, high-resolution setup for your computer monitors. This was sent over by a company called UGREEN, and it is a 2.1 DisplayPort Cable. This thing's pretty cool because it goes up to 16K resolution at 60 hertz. And then obviously, if you have like a 4K monitor, it's going to be able to do that at 480 hertz. So you're going to be pretty good and set up. So the one I have here is a 10-foot long cable, and you're going to notice right off the bat, you're going to see that 2.1 display ports right here at the end. One of the reasons I like these is, first off, it's all made out of a nice aluminum casing. The actual connections are nickel plated, so they're nice and strong. And then the cable itself is a nice braided nylon cable, nice and thick, so it's not going to tear or anything like that. Now, this cable does support transfer speeds up to 80 gigabits per second. And like I said, as far as your video, you can do 4K at 480. You can do 16K at 60 hertz. Obviously, it's going to come with an instruction. It's going to tell you all the breakdowns. So if you have like an 8K monitor, etc., it'll tell you what the hertz equal to that is. Obviously, you can do anything in between. Now, this does support also the AMD FreeSync, and also it's going to support NVIDIA G-Sync support. So if you are a big gamer, you're not going to have to worry about lag or low latency or anything like that when you are going from like a laptop screen to a regular monitor with connection with this thing. It's also going to support, if you're into like movies and sound and also games, it does support Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision. It also does HDR10 plus support if your monitor has any of those things. But overall, I've been really pleased with it. It's a great little connection. I love the fact that it has the super high speed and latest kind of resolution, so you're really future-proofing yourself with this cable. If you're in the market and you're looking for a new DisplayPort cable, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.